Hi friends, my name is Vamsi Krishna. You are watching. Today's topic is mic. I think you guys already seen in the thumbnail. Synco Lavalier Asset Mic. As I said earlier in one video, I am going to purchase the mic because I want to upgrade my gear studio setup. So that's why today I will give genuine review of this mic. Is it worth for you or not? So what are you waiting for? And guys, small note, if any new people are watching our videos, then feel free to subscribe our channel. Trust me guys, you are going to learn so much knowledge by this channel. So let's jump into our video. Friends, before starting the video, I want to mention this is not a paid content. I purchased it by my own money.
Synco company claims that this is a broadcast sound technology. So let's test it how good it is. I purchased this product via Amazon. This is how the box look like. And let's unbox it and see what are the contents inside this box. Let's unbox it. Along this product we get LED light free. It is 1.2 watt light by Stella company. So with 5 rupees cost, how can you get this free? I will tell you in video ending part. So keep it aside. This is bill and this is the box by Synco, and here are the few features of this product. It is important note, just read before opening the box. Let's unwrap the plastic wrapper and let's see what is inside the box. Here we have packaging list outside of this box, and it is how the box look like. Open it. And keep it aside. This is paperwork and warranty card too. So this is soft pouch. We can carry with the help of this soft pouch. And this is wind muff. This is CR1220 button battery, and this is collar clip. This is hero of the video, mic, and it is how look like. And wire durability is not bad, but I feel it is average. And this is 3.5 mm jack, and we can attach this mic to collar clip like this. When you are using this mic in outdoors, so you can attach this wind muff to mic to reduce the wind noises. You can attach it like this gently. After attaching collar clip and wind muff, this is how it looks like. And this is light indicator for when you switched it to DSLR cameras, and we can call it as control unit. So friends, I want to mention here, for noise cancellation we have extra hardware to process the clear audio for voices. It picks human voice very clearly. You can assemble this CR1220 battery here like this. Auto identification system, it means This mic can identify the devices like mobile, tablet, PC, DSLR cameras, and other equipment itself. This feature helps us to sometimes we forgot to toggle the switch between DSLR camera and smartphones. But here it won't happen. Another feature, upgraded noise reduction. It focuses on human voice. For example, while you working with the help of this mic, it picks a sound above 70 Hz. Below 70 Hz, it cancels noise. By this logic, your voice is very clear. Pretty good, right? We can carry this mic very easily because of its less weight. Very handy to use. And also this wire length is 8 meters long, almost 26.2 feet. It is good option. And CR1220 battery. Synco company claims that it provides 800 hours of runtime when it is connected to DSLR only. For other gadgets, not necessary to give power.
Open your favorite browser and type Amazon in search box to open the website, and go to first link to open the website. So in Amazon search box type Synco Lav S8. So you can find here, and friends, you can see here this is the brand by Synco product. And also you can see here second one, it's by brand Stella. You can see, you can notice the variation of price. The first one is 943 and second one is 949 rupees. The difference between both products is 6 rupees. So for that 6 rupees you can get 1.2 watt LED light free. Okay. Now I will open both these products in new tab, and also I will show you technical details. In this product page you can notice the brand name Synco Lav S8 omnidirectional lavalier condenser microphone, and also brand Synco, and also you can notice here price, it is 943 rupees only. And later I will show you the technical details of this product, and also I will show you comparison between these products. I will just scroll down, and here you can see the technical details and also manufacturer, packaging dimensions, everything you can see here. So guys, you can see here the brand name is Stella, but you can see on this mic it is Synco. Actually the company name is Synco, but here this Stella company is buying several lots of this product, and they are implementing this LED light. It is free with this mic. So there you can see this is the price of 999. So when I bought this, it costs around 949 rupees. Now it is increased above I think 50 rupees. So the difference is nothing between the brand Stella and Synco. By the way, Synco is the original brand. This Stella company, you can call it as partner company. Okay, I will show you the technical details. So as you can see here friends, you can compare both these brands. There is no difference between this. Both of the products are same
So for that extra 6 rupees you can got this. When I purchased, it is for 949, so that I prefer this company. I compared both these specifications and also these technical details. There are no difference between these companies, so that's why I took a chance to buy this product. So I bought it.
So guys, finally after testing this product, I have worst experience with this mic. I don't know why this product is like this. I think it may be defective part. So after that I started research of this product. So out of 10 members, 3 members are complaining about this product. So this is my experience of this Synco Lav S8 mic.
This is Stella 1.2 watt LED light. Right now I have a regular mobile charger, so let me plug in and I will switch it on. So this is the brightness of this light, 1.2 watt, and you can see the brightness. And I switch off the room light also. Now you can judge how this brightness is. So this light is for only 6 rupees, as I told.
Friends, this is my review, genuine review about Lavalier S8 mic by Synco brand. Okay, so friends, if you like this video, then feel free to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe, and catch you in next video. Till then, thank you friends. Tata, thanks for watching.